Listen, how to make money overnight with InstaPayz. Okay, you guys are DMing me. I'm getting messages all around the world. And I said, you know what? Stop for a second. How about I show you proof right now that InstaPayz is making money, one, and that brand new people, such as yourself, okay? Mamas, daddies, 9-to-5 grinders, they're making money. And in this video here, I'm going to expose it all. And I'm going to show you undeniable proof on how you're going to make money with InstaPayz overnight. And listen up, you don't have to spend $1. Let's go! All right, look, let me turn my camera around, so pay attention here. Okay, if you don't know who I am, I'm Wesley, $1 billion virgin. You should know the deal. You know the vibes. Look, a lot of you, this is what you're doing. You're going to Google, you're typing in, how to make money online, how to make money overnight. Stop doing that, okay? You're going to give a lot of BS results here. This is not how you make money by searching Google, okay? You make money online by listening to Wesley, $1 billion virgin, because, see, I'm going to keep it real. I'm going to keep it real with you straight up. And a lot of people lying, and not just that, I'm going to log into the account so you can see the money, okay? Smash the like button, because I'm going to show you the money, because I'm not just going to make a video and ask you to listen to everything and get excited about it. No. I want you to see that it's real. Watch this. First site that you need to go to is Warrior Plus, okay? WarriorPlus.com. Go there now while you're watching the video here, okay? And let me log in, because you might say, well, Wesley, how do we know you're making money? How do we know you're making money? Okay. Let me show you proof. Watch this. And this is the reason why you're going to listen to every word that I'm going to share with you in this video here. I'm going to log in. This is my account, okay? Warrior Plus. You see it? Smash the like button if you can see this. I know I'm using my phone here, but can you see this? Okay, watch this. If I go to vendor and I go to dashboard, okay, that's today, 7,000. That's yesterday, 14,000. Last 7 days, 80,000. I mean, you know the vibes. That's $344,000 that went into my account in the last 30 days here. Okay, now listen. You say, well, Wesley, how is this going to work for me? Pay attention. I just want to show you proof. Let me log out. First step, and as a matter of fact, I'm going to put all the instructions under this video. I promise you. First step is to go to free sign up. Okay. Can you do that with me? Do that now. Free sign up. Okay. Listen, free sign up here. Okay. Username. Listen, you don't need an ID. You don't need a social security card. Nothing. No money. Username, password, email address is the first step. So you can retire you and your family for the rest of your life. You're going to come on this side, the land of paradise, baby. Show me, look at this. Look, you see that? That's land of paradise. You see that sunset? Yeah, that's paradise. Paradises, baby. Look. All right, so once you have that, I want you to smash the like button here, because you're probably watching the replay here. Okay? So listen, the next step is I'm going to log in again, and I'm going to log into a different account this time, because I want to show you proof that people are not only making money overnight, people that are actually loving the product, okay? Now listen, if we go to affiliate, pay attention here, in offers, okay? Let me log back in, give me a second. Hold, let me clean my camera, guys. Like how I spit on that? All right. Come on, log in. All right, I'm in. Look, affiliate offers, okay? Now, just stay with me here. I got to show you proof. InstaPayz is #1 in the world. Hello? You see that? #1 in the world. You see at the top, who is $1 billion virgin? That's me, duh. That's me, #1. Hello, #1. Out of 9,000 products, I'm #1. What does that mean for you? That you can make money with it. Okay? 2 ways. Listen, you can either buy it, okay, or you can just recommend it, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay? So listen, the reason why it's working so well Look at the refund rate. It's only 1%. Refund rate, 1%. That means people that are buying it, thousands of people, see now 7,500 people, right? They're buying it because, well, it works. People are getting results. And I'm going to leave the link to access it below. Okay? Now, the reason why you came to this video, because you want me to show you how to make money overnight. Yes or yes. Smash the like button. That's why you're here. Okay? So listen, first step is this. You have to get what is called your link. Okay? But you got to get approval first. See that? Link. When I approve you, you're going to see a link like this. You need to copy that. That's called your affiliate link. Okay? Does that make sense? Are you with me here? This is probably the easiest way to make money overnight. Seriously. You don't need nothing. Okay? Now listen. What I want you to do is use your link to buy it. It's only $7. The product is $17, but with your affiliate link, you only pay $7 to $8. That's it. And I'm going to tell you why you need to buy it in a second. Go ahead and buy it now. Pause the video. Once you have access to it, okay? And by the way, let me show you how it looks. Hold on. Once you buy it, this is how it looks. Give me a second. InstaPayz. I love InstaPayz.com. That's how it's going to look, okay? It's going to look like this. That's how you know that you're in. Once you bought it with your affiliate link, because I want you to get paid. Does that make sense? Don't use my link. Use your link, okay, to get paid right now. So buy it. After you do that, I need to approve you. Now, you may say, well, Wesley, how can you guarantee I will make money? How can you guarantee I'm a young mother, I'm a single father, I'm at home looking at you and I'm broke? How can you guarantee that I'm going to make some money? Let me show you why. Now, this is Internet Marketing 101. You see what it says conversion rate? All that means is this. 35% of people that click here, the link, they buy. And as you can see, my conversion rate is #1 compared to everybody. They're 6%, 15. I'm 35. Well, because it's a hell of a product. It's life-changing right now. Okay, thousands of people are buying it right now. And many people, if you're not on the bandwagon, you better get them. This is the money train, because the money train is about to go. Okay? 35% of people, when you get that link that you're going to get from here, I'm going to approve you because I love you. Just say, Wesley, I watched your Instagram video, approve me. I get about 1,000 a day. So make sure you leave me a note that says, Wesley, this is me, your boy, your girl from IG, so I can approve you. 35% of people that go here, they make money, and that's you. Okay? So it makes sense. Now, the question is, okay, Wesley, I got it. And remember, I'm going to leave all the instructions under the video. How do I make money? Okay, I get it. If I buy it, great. I know I can make a ton of money if I buy it. But how do I make fast money? How do I make money overnight like you? Because I'm sick and tired of my life. I want to leave my job. I want to leave everything. I want to fly around the world, but naked. I get it. Check it out. Go to YouTube. Okay? Type in InstaPayz here in YouTube. Now, you see this? These are people who have created reviews about InstaPayz already. These people right now are making an average between $100 to $500 a day. Right now, I confirmed it. I looked at all these people IDs, and they, just by uploading the video, doing a review, a positive review, obviously, and leaving their link in the description under the video, they're getting paid. And guess what? You don't need any followers. You don't need any followers. And I'm going to tell you why. See, this is the game. You have to learn how to use the YouTube algorithm. And I know how to do it. I know how to do it well. Look. So, what you do is you watch a video like this, right?
Hi.
And you just duplicate it, man. You just make the same video, right? InstaPayz is amazing. My God, it's so easy to use. You better go get it before they stop it or cut it off. Make sense? Okay? Simple. Very simple. Now, this is how you dominate YouTube. Okay? This is how you utilize the algorithm to your favor. If you ever want to be a YouTuber, listen close. Check it out. You see the site here called vidIQ. Go there now. Okay? vidIQ allows you to do keyword search. So, boom, InstaPayz. As you can see, InstaPayz has been searched 6,000 times. See, this is how I rank videos fast. Smash the like button. I'm giving you some keys to success right now. Right? Look. Excuse me. 6,000 search. Imagine getting 6,000 searches a day. Competition is low. See, this is how YouTubers dominate. You have no clue. And guess what? This software is free. Hello? Can you say free? Can you say gratis for my Latinos and Latinos? Latinos, right? Free. Free. VidIQ. Right? You're going to dominate. You're going to make a video. You're going to upload the video. And what you do is like a video like this. Let's click on it. You take the link here. And what you're going to do is you're going to paste it in Chrome because you got to add the add-in, the plug-in, okay? And when you put that video up here like this, you can basically take all this person's tags. So you rank instantly. See these tags here? Well, you need the tags so YouTube is familiar and know how to rank your video. So when people type in InstaPayz, guess what? Not only they show up, you show up. It's going to be your video here, okay? And this is the beginning. And the next 30 days, it's going to be over 1,000 videos about InstaPayz. Listen, if you want to make money overnight, and make sure in the description, see what this guy did? He did exactly what I told him to do. See, InstaPayz review. You put your link to the product here, your affiliate link, right? You put it there. This is getting views every single day. This guy right here is making $100 a day. I confirmed it right now. I think yesterday he did $175. That's $3,000 a month just by posting a video, getting in early on a program that just launched 2 days ago that is obviously on fire because it's #1 in the world. Hello? It's #1. It's not #2. My other product is #2, CryptoPayz. I told you guys to get in on this. You know, you're just slacking. You got to get in the beginning, not the end, okay? To make money overnight. And I'm done. That's all you need to do. I'm going to leave all the instructions under this video. Once it's done, then comment below and say, Wesley, thank you so much. I'm making money. Listen, you can do this. Watch the video again. Follow the instructions. Much love. Let's go.